It looks just like glass. This is crazy.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
As it will go. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and put our basket in there. All right. So make sure this is floating. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't be floating. It's designed to be floating. That's the skimmer, and that's the basket, and you can have anywhere from 1 to 5 inches. So I think we're pretty good. We're sitting at about 2.5, 3 inches, and immediately you can see it's starting to collect all the dust, all the debris, and some bugs on top of the surface, and that's gonna keep our pool nice and clean. Let's take a look at this, and this is just running just about 1 minute, and it's already collecting dust and dirt and a bunch of bugs and stuff. it looks like it's working pretty good, but I think the suction could be improved. And you could do that by inserting one of these restrictive floating blockage thingy onto the other port of port B right there, so that way it will restrict the water flow on that side, and concentrating all of the suction power, vacuum power onto this one hose here, and that would probably improve the suction a little bit. But I think this is how it's supposed to work. It just goes nice and slow, but it is doing its job. It's just collecting a bunch of dust and dirt, and so that's gonna keep our pool clean, nice and clean. All right, so yeah, so that's how you install the skimmer.
3 hours later.
I was gonna wait until the morning to get an update of how the skimmer did, but I'm just too excited, so I wanted to show you. I did not do any kind of cleaning on the surface at all, and look at what the skimmer did. I don't know if it's the skimmer or what, but it's so nice and clean on top. It's like glass. There's no bugs, no debris. Man, it looks just nice and clean. It looks just like glass. This is crazy. Look at that. So I don't know if it's because of this guy. Probably is. Bunch of bugs and leaves and stuff down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's move this thing out of the way. Yeah, bugs and leaves and everything, but man, this is worth it. Oh my God, look at how nice and clean that water looks. All right, so check it out. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up. I think this is a must-have right here. This is a must-have for me. Man, look at that, nice and clean. And that sums it up, guys. So let me know in the comment section if there's anything we can do to improve this or any suggestions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.